What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search on Rednote. Now once you have the Rednote app open, you can easily search by either see follow, or you can easily go to explore and you can see nearby, and you can even go to explore and tap under those different categories to find different things. You can swipe across and you can go through various categories. Now this is like a manual search, right? But if you want to search for something specific and you don't want to go into those different categories, you can simply use the search on the upper right hand side and type whatever. So if I'm interested in something like painting, I can simply type in painting and go ahead and choose something from out of this, and just simply hit and search, and it will start to find all those different paintings and so forth for me. And that's it. You can always go ahead and make additional filters and change different things, go into different kind of painting details, and fine tune your search to whatever you want. You can search for users, you can search on the goods and whatever it might be. As you know, Rednote was also used back then to for selling, but now you can do a lot more with Rednote as well. So you will realize that once you're going through the Rednote app, that you can search for products, you can search for users, and so much more. And that's it.